Welcome to my class. Welcome to my channel, rather. This is a question on exterior angle of a polygon, and we know that the geometry, polygon is in geometry. So the question says, the exterior angle of a polygon is 150 degrees. Find the exterior angle. We know that the exterior angle is equals to 180 degrees minus 150 degrees. That is, the exterior angle plus the interior angle is always equals to 180. So this value is equals to 30 degrees. Very simple. You can do that in 30 seconds. So the second question says three angles of a quadrilateral are 98, 72 degrees, and 105 degrees. What is the exterior angle of the fourth angle? Here you must find the fourth angle first before you can now find the exterior angle. So the solution to the second question, let x be the fourth angle of the polygon. Now, we know that n is equals to 4 because it is four sides of the polygon. Now, we're going to make, since we know that we have already said that x is equal, let x be the four sides. So x plus 98 plus 72 degrees plus 105 degrees will give us 360 degrees, because the total sum of a quadrilateral the interior angle is 360 degrees. So we add up this value, say x degree plus 98, add these two will give us 177 degrees equals 360 degrees. So we have x degree plus 275 degree equals to 360 degrees. Now, therefore x is equals to 360 degrees minus 275 degrees, and that will give us x is equals to 85 degrees. Now, this is the fourth angle. The fourth angle is equals to 85 degrees. So we want to find the exterior angle of the fourth angle. Exterior angle of the fourth angle would be 180 degrees minus 85. That will give me 95 degrees. So 95 degrees is the exterior angle of this quadrilateral. Thank you for joining me in this channel. I'm grateful.